Hi guys, hope you are fine. Let's do this problem and I read it first. The current in a DC circuit satisfy the simultaneous equations. So those are the simultaneous equation. Use the elimination method to solve for I1, I2 and I3. And so guys, I had prepared that by having written these equations down. And so guys, we continue from there. So guys, I'm going to solve this equation, and the first thing guys I'm going to do, I'm going to eliminate I1, and that I'm going to do it by multiplying here by 2, so that this one is the same as that. So guys, I write down now 2I1 plus I2 minus 3I3 equals to -5. So I multiply this by 2, you shall have 2I1 minus now 4I2 plus I multiply by 2, that is 8I3, and this one gives us now 18. So guys, I'll check and see how I can now eliminate it, either by subtraction or addition. And so it's by subtraction, it will be 0. So that one becomes 0. This one will be now I2 minus 4I2. This gives us 5I2. This is minus 3I3 minus 8I3. That gives us minus 11I3. And this one comes now to minus 5 minus 18. This gives us 23. Like that. Actually, it's supposed to be in minus. For this simultaneous equation, guys, we have to be very careful. So we get that equation. Guys, we can come again and use this equation and this. That is, I multiply this equation now by 3. I multiply this equation by 3 so that I can equate now to this and eliminate once again I1. So I'll have 3I1. I'm multiplying this equation by 3. Then minus 6I2 plus multiply 4 by 3, that is 12I3 equals to multiply 9 by 3, that is 27. Now come and compare with this equation here. 3, this is the equation I'm comparing with this after multiplying by 3. This is I1 plus I2, and you've got to be very careful. Otherwise, any simple mistake, guys, you mess up everything. 2I3, and now this one becomes 7. Yes. So guys, now I now come and subtract. But before I do that, guys, it's always good to check so that you don't make any mistake. So after multiplying, this is what I found, and I think it's quite correct. So we can subtract here. If I subtract, guys, I'll get, that is 0. This is going to be minus 6 minus 1 I2. This gives minus 7 I2. This is 12 minus 2. This gives us now plus 10 I3. And finally, we have 27 minus 7. This will give us 20. And so, guys, we have now our equation 1 and equation 2. So we combine those equations and see what we get. We shall have 5 I2 minus 11 I3. This gives us minus 23. We also have this one, minus 7i2 plus 10i3 is equals to 20. Guys, we once again come and eliminate. And now we check what is easier to eliminate. That is i2 or i3. So guys, I can choose to multiply this equation by, let's say I multiply by 7, and this one I can multiply by 5, so that these two becomes equal. So for that, we shall have 7 times 5 is 35, i2, minus 7 times 11 is 77, i3, and then we have 7 multiplied by 23, that is, you get 21 there. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 2 is 161. That is negative. Guys, we have to check again and again. I think it's correct. We come now to this one we get, this one we shall get minus 35 i2. Then here we have plus 50, that is 5 times 10 is 50, i3. This one now gives us 100. So guys, we can now eliminate our i2, and that one we can do by addition here. So that, guys, if we add 35 i2 plus minus 35 i2, we get 0. So we add everything. So let's come and add here. Guys, we are going to have 27 here, i3. Remember that the sign of addition does not really affect a negative sign. And so this one is 27. This is equals to minus 161 plus 100. We shall get minus, this is minus 61, like that. So this one is supposed to be negative. Now we can divide, that is, we divide this and that. We shall get that i3 will now be equals to 61 divided by 27. 61 divided by 27. The negative signs will cancel. So this one we shall get 61 over 27 gives us 2.25. This is 2.25. So from there, guys, we can now come and replace our equation here, so that we can now be able to get the i2. So using this equation, you can write that equation 5, i2, this one, minus 11, we put now 2.25, this one you get negative 23. So guys, this is going to be 5, i2, minus, this is now going to be 2.25, this will be 2.25 multiplied by 11 times 11. This gives us 24.75. So this is 24.75 equals to negative 23. So guys, we can now take this side. So we are left with 5. I2 will be equal to now 24.75 minus 23. This is now minus 23. So this gives us 1.75 like that. That is when you take this one, it will be positive. And so our I2 is going to be 1.75 divided by 5. That is divided by 5. So this gives us 0.35. 0.35. So that is our I2. Guys, we can come and do our original equation so that we can now get, we have gotten I3 and I2. We now look for I1. So we can use this equation. So we shall write I1 minus 2. I2 we have here is 0.35 plus 4. I3 we have it's supposed to be 2.25. Now this one gives us now 9. So let's see what guys we are going to get for I1. So this is going to be I1 minus, we multiply 2 times 0.35. That is times 2, we get 0.7. This is 0.7 plus we multiply 2.25 times 4. 2.25 times 4, we get 9. So this one we are going to get 9. And this one gives us 9 like that. And so therefore guys, we can actually transfer this 9 this side and we get 0. Then we are left with I1 minus 0.7. So therefore I1 is going to be 0.7 like that. So guys, that is our solution. Thank you for listening to me. Bye bye.